Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the right tools for the job. You will need a pentalobe screwdriver, a Torx T5 screwdriver, a suction cup, and a plastic opening tool. It's important to have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. Start by powering off your MacBook and disconnecting all cables. Use the pentalobe screwdriver to remove the screws from the bottom case. Keep them organized, as you will need to replace them later. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the bottom cover off using the plastic opening tool. Be gentle to avoid damaging any clips. Next, locate the battery connector and gently disconnect it to ensure there's no power running through the device. This is a crucial step for your safety. If you find this process intimidating, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can have peace of mind before proceeding. Now, move on to the screen assembly. You will see a series of screws holding the screen in place. Using the Torx T5 screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Again, keep track of where each screw comes from, as they can vary in size. With the screws removed, use the suction cup to gently lift the screen away from the base. This may require a bit of force, but be cautious not to pull too hard, as there are still cables connected. If you encounter resistance, check for any screws you may have missed. Once the screen is free, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop. A soft cloth or a can of compressed air works well for this task. Keeping the internals clean can improve performance and longevity. Now, take your new screen and align it with the base. Carefully reconnect any cables that were previously attached to the screen. Ensure that they are securely fastened to avoid future issues. If you're unsure about this step, don't hesitate to reach out to us for a quote before repair. We can assist you with the installation. Reattach the screws you removed earlier to secure the new screen in place. Follow the same process in reverse to reassemble the bottom case, ensuring that all screws are tightened properly. Finally, reconnect the battery and power on your MacBook. Check that the screen is functioning correctly. If you experience any issues, remember, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about calls or travel. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the screen on your MacBook A2992. This process not only saves you money but also gives you the satisfaction of doing it yourself. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.